Moving on, now there's a coronavirus scare among top BJP party leadership in Rajasthan. Top leaders of the Rajasthan Bharatiya Janata Party have been quarantined. They've quarantined themselves after former state party president's PA tested positive for COVID-19. Former Rajasthan BJP chief Banwar Lal Sharma, who passed away 2 days ago, had also tested positive for COVID-19. The PA was present at the time of the death and final rites of Banwar Lal Sharma. He also met with other several leaders of the BJP, including current state BJP President Satish Punia and BJP MLA Ashok Lahoti. They were also present during the final rites of former BJP state president. And as per a BJP source, there were around 1,000 people at the cremation site and social distancing norms were thrown to the wind there. The incident took place on Saturday, even during lockdown 4.0, where not more than 20 people were permitted to attend a funeral at a time. Now, looking at the funeral, some glimpses that we get from the funeral there, several people who gathered, social distancing wasn't maintained, even though many of them are seen wearing masks. Nonetheless, they have been exposed to the virus. Now, several top BJP leaders in Rajasthan have gone into self-quarantine after the state party president's PA himself tests positive for COVID-19. Devankur joining us for more details on this. Dev, do take us through. We're looking at the former state party president, the BJP party president in Rajasthan. His PA has now tested positive for COVID-19. And we hear that he was part of a funeral of former BJP chief Banwar Lal Sharma, who passed away 2 days ago, where thousands of people gathered to bid goodbye, final adieu and the final rites that were carried out. And at that time, he must have been exposed to the virus and contracted it.
Well, Nabila, the top state BJP leadership is right now under a coronavirus scare, and that is why all of them who were present at the funeral of Banwar Lal Sharma, the former BJP state leader, president who passed away 3 days ago. So all the leaders who were present at that time have gone into home isolation. What is a matter of conjecture right now is whether his PA already knew that he is coronavirus positive at that time when he was present at the funeral at the cremation site, and also by his side when the BJP leader passed away. There were several top BJP leaders, including the state BJP president Dr. Satish Punia, Rajendra Rathod, Sanganer MLA Ashok Lahoti, the former BJP state president Arun Chaturvedi, Kali Charan Saraf. And in fact, what we are given to understand is that there were some Congress leaders as well who were present during the final rites of Banwar Lal Sharma. So all of these leaders are right now under a scare. Clearly, what we can see from the pictures, Nabila, is that social distancing went for a toss. There were, as per a BJP source, at least or around 1,000 people who were present at the cremation site or at the Shamshan Ghat where the funeral happened, and there were around 300 to 400 people even before that, perhaps at the BJP office, where the last respects were being paid to the departed soul of the BJP leader. Clearly, the BJP source also mentioned that, at a time when the Prime Minister had tried to propagate social distance, mentioning that people should maintain distance, all of this happening inside the BJP leader was inside the BJP office was uncalled for. And now, at this point in time, after it was publicly revealed that the PA of the BJP's former state president was coronavirus positive, all of these leaders are under home isolation and have tried to quarantine themselves. But even in the pictures, you can see, Nabila, that there is a large crowd. At least inside the BJP office, there were 300 people at the time of the last respects that were being paid. And even at the funeral site, there were much more people than that, which clearly was uncalled for, given the kind of situation that was prevailing. And this happened 3 days ago when the lockdown was very much in place, when the restrictions were very much in place, and people were not supposed to gather in such large numbers either at the funeral site or at the BJP office.
Well, this is quite tragic, and we do know that most of them now have been exposed to this virus. They've gone into self-quarantine after worrying about the fact that one of the leaders' PA has tested positive, but the violation, clear violation, is visible with these photographs that are showing on your television screens here. Despite it being a clear lockdown in place, we're looking at hundreds or even thousands of them gathering for the funeral of the late BJP senior leader there. It's unfortunate. Many of them have now gone into quarantine, and it seems like the entire BJP leadership in Rajasthan is now on alert. Now let's quickly move over to our top stories with regards to coronavirus in Uttarakhand. We're looking at the situation in Uttarakhand currently being grim, as a Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Trivendra Singh Rawat, and his entire cabinet have now gone into quarantine. This right after the State Minister Satpal Maharaj tested positive along with his wife, but that has triggered the scare. What's really triggered the scare here is that Maharaj had attended a cabinet meeting which was chaired by the Uttarakhand Chief Minister. Not just that, 17 people working at the residence of the minister too have now tested positive. Remember, there are over 700 cases of coronavirus in the state as of now, with 5 deaths reported. However, 102 people have recovered from the virus as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.